Quarantine got my feet looking like who did it what for? That's my favorite phrase. Who did it what for? Okay, y'all, so I'm at the store and it calls for blue Listerine. It didn't specify which brand. I mean, I'm sure this is what they want me to get or I should get, but this says that it is equivalent to this. This is cheaper than this. So your girl is gonna go with this. This first thing is the vinegar. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Looks like it's only $1.17, but we will see. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So as y'all know, we're not able to go to the salon. So I've been on Pinterest to try to just find some DIYs on how to get your feet looking right, soft, and get all that dead, cracked up, callous skin off. So I'm about to show y'all if it's a dupe or a do. A do or a dupe. I can't speak for y'all, I'm gonna speak for myself. I'm looking a dry, cracked up mess. So we about to fix it. I went onto Pinterest and I found this ingredient here. Hold on. It's called a Listerine foot soak, and all you need is 1 cup of Listerine, 1 cup of vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water. So your girl went to the stove and I got all of that stuff. The water's in the bathroom though, so I'm gonna get the water out. Directions is to soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a foot towel and why? Okay, it just says soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh Lord Jesus, look at that. My feet ain't as bad as hers, but it's close to it, close enough. Oh, went to the store. I got my vinegar and I bought this thing of Listerine. And we're about to get started. Okay. Some people in this world know that if I could change one feature in my body, it would be my feet. I do not like my feet, but they come a long way, especially my toenails. But if I could change one feature, it'll be them dogs down there. I went and I got 2 aluminum pans. I can just throw these away after soaking my nasty feet inside of them. I got a cup because I don't have a measuring cup, so I got a cup of coffee. This should be equivalent to 1 cup. And I have my warm water. You can see the steam. And then of course, like I showed y'all, I have my Listerine and my vinegar. So let's get to it. I advise it's gonna be 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go for the whole 15 minutes. Grab me some snacks and grab me some water and grab your book or your phone. I'm currently reading the 5 Love Languages for Single Since. That's me. And I just want insight on life. Before I get started on this DIY foot soaking technique, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, smash that subscribe button, smash that bell button right here so that you're notified whenever I post another video. All right, let's get started. So while I sit here and soak my feet, I just wanted to say, it says that you can do this in just when it's done, when your time is up, you can just wipe your feet and be done. Some of the reviews or threads say if you take like a little scrubber, it helps get the dead skin off. But I'm just gonna do these ingredients and dry my feet and put some lotion on my feet afterwards and see what my feet look like. I'm not gonna do all that extra stuff this first go around. I'm gonna see what just these 3 items can do for my messed up feet. If y'all tried this, let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so my 15 minutes is up. I'm gonna see what my feet are looking like. Like literally, you see this dry skin here? If I did have a scrubby thing, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Ew. Look at that. I'm shook. Let's check on this one. Y'all, I cannot believe this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna let them soak for a little bit longer. The thing is, I kind of wish I did have a foot scrub because it would literally get all of this off. Alright, so about 5 more minutes later, so I think I did a total of 20 minutes. Y'all, look at this. And my feet, they are so freaking soft. Oh my gosh. Yeah, remember this? I think after a few more treatments, this would be gone. It's already so soft. And I can, if I had a foot scrubber, I could probably get that off. But y'all, no lie, my feet look so much better. Yay! If you ask me, it's the dew. My feet feel soft. They feel renewed. I'm gonna put some lotion on them. Now, I'm probably gonna do it probably like every week until the world opens back up because I need it. So I'm gonna moisturize my feet with this, and I'm gonna put my socks on, and we're gonna see what my feet feel like in a couple of hours because they already soft as oh my gosh, they feel like your legs when you get them, when you shave them after like 2 months. I don't know if you ever went that long without shaving your legs. I have, probably not 2, probably like 1 month, but they feel like that fresh shave or that fresh wax. And that's another thing, this world didn't open back up because getting hard out here. Got my moisturizer on my feet. Yay! Yay! Yay the soft feet. Yay the Listerine. Yay the vinegar. And hot water. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, y'all.
And don't judge my feet, because I know y'all feet look a mess too. I'm just brave enough to let y'all see it. My little stinky little dookie little feet. Y'all do not bite my feet. My mama, she was wrong for giving me these kind of feet. She was wrong for that. I'm gonna have to tell her that. Like, mama, you wrong. But you know, you can hide your feet. So I'm glad she gave me everything else good. So, alright, y'all. I'm gone for real. I'm gone. Okay, I'm gone.